What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and I am back again to talk about another dividend payment. Actually, my fourth dividend payment with Prospect Capital, ticker symbol PSEC. I'm super excited. I love getting dividend payments, and with this particular company, Prospect Capital, they do pay payments monthly. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and on this channel, I talk about how to start investing in the stock market, and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I have been really lucky. Not so much in the beginning of my investment journey. As a matter of fact, I lost a lot. I started investing back in 2016, I think, and then I stopped in 2017 because I was just taking an L and I didn't know what I was doing. And then I started to reinvest again in May 2020, where I lost a lot of money. I was actually down up to $63,000 because I was trying to day trade, and now I've switched to doing some more dividend payments type of trading, and it's a little slower, but that's okay. As a matter of fact, let me show you guys on the desktop here. So I have my account pulled up, and currently my account is valued at $197,000. If I click on the all, just to show you guys, once again, way back here in 2016, I was investing, and then this is the money that I invested and I basically lost because the graph is going down, as you can see. I took all my money out, and then I started to reinvest again in May of 2020. Since May of 2020, I have put into the stock market $206,000. So once again, overall, I'm still down, okay? So currently, my account's valued at $197,000. So that's roughly let's call it $10,000 that I'm still in the red, okay? But the reason why I show you that is because this is real. In regards to the stock market, there's a lot of ways to make money in the market, but a lot of people lose their money because they don't have the knowledge, the time, and the patience that it takes to do well in the market, okay? I'm by no means a guru. I'm just sharing with you my particular story, okay? So what I will do right here, right now, is let me show you guys that I was down. First of all, real quickly, right here, I was down negative $63,000, October 30th, 2020. So you see it right there on the screen, all right? That's pretty ugly. At that point, I decided to stop doing day trading, and I decided to do some dividend type of investments. And right now, I'm gonna share with you my fourth dividend payment with Prospect Capital, which I'm super excited about. So at the making of this video, Prospect Capital is trading for $8.90. My overall market value is $12,836.12. My total return is up $2,496.12, so I'm up 24.14%. My average cost per share is $7.17, and currently I own 1,442 shares, okay? So I'm really excited because this is a good investment. Like, since I have poured money into Prospect Capital, I am up almost $2,500, which is pretty cool. I can't really complain about that. That is as sweet as it gets. I'm gonna scroll down and show you guys my history here as far as dividend payments are concerned, just to show you that I got 4 payments. All right, so I'll click on dividends real quickly. And so the first payment you guys can see here is March 18th for $84.04. At that particular time, I had 1,400 shares. As you can see here, they're paying 6 cents per share, which is how I got a payment of $84.04. And then the next payment was for $84.69. And then the next one was for $85.33. And then the most recent payment, which was on June 17th, is for $85.94. At that particular time, I had 1,432 shares. Once again, they're paying 6 cents per share, which is how I was able to get a payment of $85.94. Now, the beauty of Robinhood and other companies that they'll grab more shares for you. So Robinhood has what they call the DRIP, which means Dividend Reinvestment Plan, and they grab more shares for you automatically with the money that you've just been paid in regards to dividends. So right here, you can see that Robinhood was able to fill my order for me, and at the moment that they did it, they purchased 9.87 shares, and it was for $8.70 at the time. So $8.70 at the time, and let's see what it's trading for right now. I think it's a little above that, right? So right now it's trading for $8.90. So that's pretty cool. Like, it's pretty easy to set it and forget it in regards to the dividend reinvestment plan on Robinhood. You don't have to go in there and manually grab more shares of that particular company, right? If you're just starting out and you want to buy your own shares, that's pretty cool. If you feel like you can time it where you can get your dividend payment, and you feel like you can time it that maybe you can purchase another share or a couple of shares less than it cost, or not less than what it costs, but maybe less than what it might be a couple of days before. If you wait a couple of days, the price per share may be lower. If you want to do that because you only have like 1 or 2 or 3 different dividend paying companies, that's fine. But I currently have 11, and so I was real OCD. At first I was like, I'm gonna grab my shares myself. But I don't have time for that, especially now that I have, like I said, 11 dividend paying companies. I just have the drip turned on automatically on Robinhood, and it saves me time and energy and effort and all that good stuff. But I'm really happy with my investment and the fact that I chose to grab shares with Prospect Capital. I am excited. Once again, this is my 4th dividend payment, and this company does pay dividends monthly. It's really cool to receive these dividend payments monthly, just because it's just kind of neat. You're like, ooh, yes, I get another payment next month. Most companies pay quarterly, and that's fine as well. But like I said, Prospect Capital does pay monthly, and I like that a lot. All right, that's gonna be pretty much it for this video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. And if you want to pass this video or this channel along to somebody that can benefit from it, share the channel, share the video. That would be incredibly awesome. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.